actually there would be a lot of changes of the operations, and this time around, during this planning, we will be I think we will be giving the mandated minimum strategies, critical activities that the branch should be doing. Unlike before, we giving them the liberty to determine what strategies that they will be going to implement. But during the assessment of their activity, which they are the one creating the strategies, seems like ineffective really their effort in doing so. So buhaton ginato karon is we have to have the mandated measures, mandated minimum strategies. The rest, I think, na sila ma-add, but whatever their inputs, that will become mandated strategies that they should do. So meaning they cannot do that what we call this activity without any reason at all. There is equivalent demerit of their performance. But if they are also doing it much more better than the expected, of course, they will be given a much reward or premium of that. No? So more of the rewarding ang ato karon diri nga gitan-aw, not really on the demerit, because the support system should also be working along the way sa implementation sa branch, no, to give support to the frontliners like branch managers, dealers, field account officers, and we have the additional workforce to include in the branch what we call this the risk management assistant, where they can support on the field validation as credit investigator. The same manner can go more of the collection of past due on field. So as much as we don't want to employ or deploy more of field account officers, but because of our existing portfolios, most of it is coming from the microfinance, informal settlers, or what we call this, ng mga members nga siya mga permanent ba nga mga contact numbers. So we need to have this kind of approach na kinahanglan na gyud siya naka-assign nga field account officers.
Possible, sir, we will review unsa tong giplano for year 2023, then asa ta dapita unsa tong achievement, then after that unsay mga bottlenecks or unsay naka-hinder nato in achieving our plans and targets. Then from that we will change or need ta mag-recalibrate sa ato ang mga kanang critical activities for year 2024 para mas mapa-improve na to ang ato ang operation sa Cebu People's Co-op.
Siyang annual planning nato for the next year, so year 2024. So 2 days na siyang planning. So mag-start ta karon December 13, 14 of tomorrow. So karon more on preparation sa mga documents sa ato ang raw data sa ato ang mga branches para mao'y gamiton himuan tong target para next year nga operation. So muna karon base sa mga branches tanan kay buhan i-present nila unsay ang mga plano, unsay mga unsay mga hina o katong weak spot nato nga area o weak area nato sa atong operation na makaamta og objectives o goals nato nga ma-recover to siya, ma-convert siya into positive siya. So pasabot na niya ang operation kanang mas munindot siya inig next year. So ang ato karon basis na ato karon nga year para tamdan nato sa sunod nga tuig. So ang expectation nato niya, so next year magawas na nato ang mga solusyon unsaon pag-overcome ang mga problem nga encounter nato sa 2023.
Actually ang kini atong planning gibuhat for 2 days, December 13 and 14, Sir Jace. Actually preparation nato for next year. Naay mga of course naay mga pwede nato ma-change or ma-recommend for this event or activity nga ma-implement next year nga wala siya mo work for this year. So mo nangingon nga kung walay na mayunta na ay mga challenges for this year, maybe next year ma-come up na nato. It's because natay mga strategies buhaton na and of course with the branch managers nato karon nga kuan karon naa diri sa tuang Hexa Hall to attend this activity, not just for kanang kuan sa ato puning mga members nga in the future kuan pa na to whatever our services nga atong ma-offer sa ilaha.
Kani karon actually dako nga challenge sa top management sa operation kung willing bigid sila to go into nani kanang reinforcement, augmentation to the point of re-engineering usbo ng mga function sa mga tao nga nasa branches ba mo siya pinaka-focus karon. So even sa mga business development services dapat geared towards supporting sa branch aside from kanang MyStore nga concept that will help in terms of sa collections, without payments, transactions, savings, loans, na pwede makainan ng MyStore in support to the branch. Apil na po hasta ng development of kanabita mga viability for mga micro enterprises.
Ganing atong planning karon, mag-review sa ta sa planning na to last year ug asa unsay ato nakabot ug unsay na padayon or nahimo atong planning last year. Then ang planning sa nato karon agi sad ni og mapalambo pa nato ang pagdagan sa atong kooperatiba sa sunod tuig pohon with the grace of the Lord.